What up? I've got a delivery for you, just for you. It is my Blue Moon School. It is a library and archive and akashic records of all of my teachings, my wisdoms, my guidance. It is activation codes. It is a spiritual awakening library book for you. Use it like a tarot card, like, pick one randomly, or, tune into your emotions and go seek out what you want to learn. There is thousands of hours of content for you on there for free. And if you would like to subscribe, it's $2 a week to join in my weekly classes, and that is what's been delivered to you today. So go fucking check it out. My link is in the bio, and fuck yes to you. Cheers.